My name is Katinka, I'm the seamstress at the cottage, and welcome back. As you can see, we're in a new location. Behind me is the beautiful coastline close to Mosselbay in South Africa, and I am having a ball. I'm visiting a friend of mine, and I always make a point of spending time with her because she inspires me. I don't know about you, but I have certain people in my life who just make my life better and change my mindset, and she's one of those. So of course we went fabric shopping, because fabric shopping is, I think, a worthy pastime, and also I'm making her some things. So the first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you all the fabrics we got. I got a few pieces, but mostly this is for her, because she needs some more clothes, and recently her accountant said that for her business she needs to actually deduct some of the clothes from the business account. So we are working on that. The first thing is this beautiful cotton lawn. I wish you could feel it. It's a cotton lawn, and I'm busy making a dress, and I have to change a few things, like the sleeves aren't right, and I need to make the darts down the front a bit longer, but she loves it and she looks stunning in it. Then I'm going to put my fabric separate. Let's continue with hers. We got this beautiful ditzy flower print, also a cotton lawn, and she wants a top in this. And then we found this, and there's enough for a skirt and a pair of pants. It's just a poly knit. It's that type of drapes beautifully, so this is going to be a skirt, and then the leftover fabric, there's enough for her for pants, so I'll make her some pants as well. And then we found this. This is a linen rayon, and it is just exquisite. So I think this needs to be a statement dress, and I have some ideas, but we're still talking it through. And so I just love this. I should have actually gotten myself some as well, but I don't want it to end with her, so I let her take it, and it's just so beautiful. Can't wait to work on this. Then we found, it's almost like a moss crepe, but it's more stretchy. But the pattern is just so stunning. So this is going to be a dress as well, and this one will be a dress. And as I said, I am really looking forward to working on this. And then she needs pants. And there's nothing like a pair of linen brown pants. So it's just a pair with a basket at the top, cut on the round, and then coming down, straight legs. Quite, not too wide, but kind of wide. And it will just dry beautifully. I made a mistake when we bought this fabric. In the shop they said it was linen, but it feels like a linen cotton mix. But it will still drape like linen, and it will wash like linen, so that's not bad at all. So that's all the fabric we got for her. And then I got some too. So I've had this idea of a dress with mixed fabrics in cotton lawn. Now I don't know if you remember, but I did show you a dress in my summer breeze video, but I gave it away in the end because the pattern wasn't right for me. So I'm still working on the pattern, but I love these two together. I was looking for a third one to combine it with, but in the end I just decided if I can't find the perfect one, then I'll just work with the two. But I just think they play so nicely, and I don't know exactly what I want to make yet, but I'm excited to work with that. And then the same as the brown, I got it in rust. I've been dreaming of a rust dress forever. Since Sonderfloor brought out the flowy circle skirt rust dress, I've been wanting one. And I've been looking online at sheets and duvet covers in linen or fine linen. So I bought this, and I'm a bit disappointed in the way it washed up. I can see it's not 100% linen, it's a cotton linen. But it's okay. It was cheaper than 100% linen would have been, and I'm going to make it and wear it, and if I don't like it, give it away and find the right linen. Because that's the other thing why I haven't made this yet in linen, is because I haven't been able to find this color of linen. The times when I did find it, it was just so expensive, and I'm not paying that for fabric when you're just going to wear it as a dress. Maybe if you make a duvet cover that you're going to use for a long time. So that's why I haven't invested yet. So I think I'm going to make this, wear it, and then decide if I like it or not. And that has been the fabric shopping. I've done a stunning road trip down here. It's about 6 hours, 6.5 hours from Cape Town, and it has been so much fun. I made a point of stopping next along the road and having time with friends. I actually spent Saturday and Sunday with another friend in Knysna, and it has just been so much fun. And sewing wise, like I said, I'm going to sit down. I've brought my machine along because that's what you do when you travel. You pack your machine, and I'm busy making my friend some clothes, and then I'll see what I'll do next. But for now, I'm just having fun. And I think that is the biggest thing, is sometimes I get so caught up in the day-to-day and what has to happen next that I forget about having fun. And for now, that is my mission. I'm going to have fun no matter where I am and what I do. Later today, there's like a piece down, it's like cliffs down there, and then you're at the beach, and I think I want to go and walk there. Apparently there's a place called The Point, and I need to go and find it and see it. And also, they have good ice cream. So I need to actually find the ice cream, because good ice cream is very important. And that is it for today. I'm not going to waste your time, but I do want to thank you for subscribing and for taking time to spend with me. And I always appreciate each and every one of you. And for those of you who found me and enjoy this type of content, join this family. We have fun here, and that's what life is about. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. It is time for another road trip. Oh, I love road trips. I just love going to explore. So, we are on our way to Knysna, and we still have about 5 hours, but I just love spending time in the car. I've got a nice playlist going, and I'm excited. And you're coming with. We are going up this mountain. It's called the Toys Kloof Pass, and it is just so beautiful.
Goes round and round in circles, but I'm still on the ground. It's a dizzying day. I would give a lot to get away.
This area is well known for its wine.
Getting real dark in here.
It's beautiful.
Feels like I've been here 1,000 years.
Here's another wine cellar. It's such a sweet little town.
Or just sit beside me and never leave. I got the curtains up. I guess it would be nice if you could.
I'm gonna get coffee right there.
It's a day like this. It's a day I really would have missed. It's getting real dark in here.
That's for me. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave?
This was fun. I just had the most amazing coffee. I actually bought some beans for me. And now we're going to go to Swellendam, and then it's the next one. I can't remember which town. I'm just looking here on my map. We'll see. I'll tell you. You'll know as I know. On the right, that white that's sticking out is the same as this on this side. And they actually put the grapes under a net. Look at that. I thought it was dams or water that's standing there on the right, but it's all net. Ashton. last time I drove here, this bridge was still under construction. That was about 15 years ago.
It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave?
I've just took a break at this petrol port. It's so nice to stretch my legs. And I'm ready to take the road again. But first, I want to chat a little bit about road trips. The reason why I love a road trip so much is because it just gives me opportunity to think. And what I also like to do is to put my music out loud and then just sing along. And I've had the most awesome worship music going, so I feel quite refreshed. I think I've got another hour to drive, and then I will be with my friend.
I know as the daylight grows how I am supposed to feel, to make the same mistakes, to be part of something real.
Look at all the paragliders up there. It's weird that Sedgefield is the place where all the paragliders come.
With blinking eyes through a bad disguise, we move on to reappear.
This is the view I want to show you. This is Knysna.
And the times are changing.